I'm going to answer a question that was asked online. How can one prove electronic spying/hacking during a divorce case? So first thing I want to say is this stuff actually happens. So if it's happening to you and you think it's happening, you might not be crazy, right? A lot of people will gaslight and say, no, I don't know what you're talking about. But this actually happens quite a lot. There are programs out there that allow you to hack your spouse's phone for less than $100. I've seen them. I've dealt with these cases. So this stuff happens out there, okay? If you go through and you determine that, one, you think you're being spied on, and then you think that fact is going to help you in your divorce case, and it might not help you in your divorce case, and it might. So you really need to sit down with your attorney and determine that. But if you determine that it is going to help, knowing this and knowing that the spying is going on, then you really need to take your phone to a forensic investigator who deals with computers and deals with phones, and specifically deals with the hacking of computers and phones, okay? So this is not just downloading data off your phone to get, photos and text messages and that sort of thing. This is quite complicated, and you need to go find somebody who does this and does this for a living. Now, there are not that many people in Utah, as far as I can tell, that actually do this, but you really do need to check around. If you can find that person, then they need to get the phone, they need to write up the report, they need to do everything they can to prove where the program's coming from and who owns the program. So make sure that when you go to this forensic investigator, you're telling them exactly what you need and exactly who you think is hacking your phone, in what manner, what's happened, that sort of thing, and then get a really, really detailed report. You can give that to the court. That forensic investigator will very likely need to actually testify in court as well. So you kind of want to assess whether or not they're going to be good on the stand, because some of these guys are just super computer nerds and they can't talk to other human beings. And that's great because that makes them savants in what they do, but it also makes them really, really poor on the stand. So again, sit down with your attorney, make all these assessments, then go find that forensic investigator.